Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Culture. In this video, I want to show you how to make a homemade ginger root beer. And these are the items we're gonna need to make our ginger root beer. We have lemon, we have root ginger, we have instant yeast, we have sugar, and we're gonna need water. Welcome to my channel. Here you need to put on your stove and put on a moderate heat, then add 4 cups of sugar. We are making a 4 liters ginger root beer, so here we're gonna put 3 liters of water, and the 1 liter we will preserve it to blend with the ginger. Then you stir to dissolve the sugar in the solution. Then we're going to chop the ginger roots into smaller chunks so that they can fit in the blender. Make sure you use a sharp knife to cut the ginger roots, and remember to put away the bad sectors of the ginger root. So once you're done chopping the ginger roots, you put them in a blender. So we are going to blend the ginger roots and extract the juice from the ginger. So I will add the 1 remaining liter of water. It cannot fit in my blender, but we will add it little by little. So make sure you blend it until all the bigger particles are gone, and we have a fine juice of ginger. So now we will add our ginger blend to the sugar and water solution. Remember, the heat is it's a moderate heat, so it should not be boiling. The heat should be 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to squeeze our 5 pieces of lemon, but I usually roll my lemon on the bowl to get the maximum juice from the extraction. So I use my lemon extractor to squeeze it, and here we go. The lemon extractor really does a good job, and squeezing the lemons, you get the maximum juice from the fruit. Some people prefer their ginger beer with lime fruit. You can make a lime fruit ginger beer, or you can use lemon to make the ginger beer. So it's a preferable choice that you can consider. Now we have the juice, and then I will use a grater to extract some lemon zest from the peel. So I'll grate 1 lemon peel to get some zest. So you put the zest together with the lemon juice. Now here I will use a strainer to get the ginger juice from the warm water we had on our stove. So you have to be careful because it is hot, and make sure you get all the juice from the strainer. You don't want to lose the ginger juice. This is how it look like. Then we are going to put the lemon juice and the zest. Then we use a small strainer to extract the lemon juice. Then stir the solution together. Now we're going to transfer our solution to our storage can. I'm gonna use a funnel so that I cannot spill over. So now on the final process, this is where we're going to add our instant yeast. So remember, our storage has to be airtight. Now I'm gonna add this sachet is equivalent to 3 tablespoons of instant yeast. So I'm gonna add yeast, and then I will close my storage airtight for fermentation to start taking place. Then I will put my storage in a dark place. So mine, I want to put it under my kitchen cabinets. Then let it sit for an hour. Then you come and open to release the hot air, as we have stored it while it is still hot. This is an hour later, and when I look at my ginger beer, I can see some bubbles, meaning that fermentation is taking place. Oh, and the lid just popped out because of the pressure. So when you close it, now this is where the wait starts. You have to let it stay in a dark place for 3 days. Hello guys, welcome back. This is our third day since we made our ginger beer, and it's now ready to enjoy. Let me have a taste of it. It's really tastes awesome. So don't forget to like on this video, don't forget to comment on this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.